Unang yalam kasengsan Partai United Democratic Party UDP ubak KyrmenShylla ha kasi hat majai jong tayo uloong ba ka ban batai lepa mano ban job ya ke election MP. Hendai ulapan paupat ya ke jeng Kyrmen ba kinu ki job ya ke election MP ken trai bah na ka banta ka bah kamiat jong pat ba ka jela.
Habai keren bikinong pathai kubor ubak KyrmenShylla ubalong menteri sarkar. Ulang bagajingnya vote kandang simpor bat kalong ka bahaban batai lupa mano ban job. Ndrai ungit scam ba mano ru ki job ki election ken trai na ka banta ka bah kamiat jong ki pat ba bat kin buram ya ka vote ka bakiyo. Ulang balada kali ya ka UDP bat yu unong bakan job ka UDP kumtala da kali ki breon ka Congress ka VPP ka NPP ni ki kertong thamseng kin kam bakin job maki ki election. Ulang bagajing job ne jingram kam dai satya hakikati jong ki ndrai kilatrish tam haban job ikan ki election. Ulang baru ki MLA kilatrish tam hasispa nak sispa ndrai ka bakhat dohi kan syong ho pat ba yano banjir. Uba Kyrmen ulai ku blaya baru ki MLA ha ka kanhon Regional Democratic Alliance kilatrish tam bat kene ka pedi ka jingi teli bat ki snam ke bandang wanru kendang beteng menetrelang da ka jingi teli. Halor ke jingkeli bagladon ginong kersan ki UDP ke belalet ben kersan no eka VPP bat ki wei pat ki sengsan perthai. Uba Kyrmen ula kubur bagi kato kene kinong kersan ki UDP ke belalet ben kersan no ye ki wei pat ki sengsan perthai. Ndrai ule tu apat bagi nong kersan ye ki wei pat ki sengsan perthai ru kilawan ban penyeso no syaka UDP.
When it comes to MP election, no doubt some of our supporters they win and support different political party. And even from others also they came and join us. So that's why where there is a vacancy, somebody came and fill it, and sometimes out of us they come out and then support the others. So here we cannot say who is who because we don't have any proof, but for sure there will be, since lakhs and lakhs of people are voting. So no doubt your supporters, some of them will jump to other side and then some will come and join you. The crowd, what we saw in the field of any political party campaign, that is not enough to win, because we need at least 2.53 lakhs minimum to win the election. So we believe and we have seen, we can count also that all those political party who held this campaign, that is not even in lakhs. So we cannot say that with that numbers they can claim the election that they will win it. But we need the public support, not only those who are in the field, but even those who cannot come also. So we believe that those especially are from our side. Though our people, they cannot come and join us in the rallies or in the public campaign, but they do love us. So we believe this, love and support they give to our party, this will give us more strength to fight more election in near future to come. If by sitting in the opposition and you claim that you fulfill the needs of the people, then I don't know why do they elect us? Because in my constituency, particularly, my people will never want to see me sitting in the opposition, because they know that being in the opposition is not easy to bring development and then bring the needs of the constituency. So we always need to be in the ruling party so that we can have something what our people requires. So by sitting in the opposition and you claim that the ruling party fails, I don't know what exactly is the contribution we can give by being in the opposition, but I will not blame them. Maybe that is the place where they choose to be and they love to be, is their choice. But for us, for me personally, I feel that when you win the election, the public support, they have full faith on you that you be in the ruling party and then bring developments to your constituency. Yeah, it's just one thing I would like to urge the people of our state. No doubt the different political party might try a different field, might try different strategy to make them, to get their support. But I feel personally that, and then I know also that our people cannot be fooled just by those fake promise and then just by telling them that we are the best. But they know who's who, and then I feel that whichever the election we contest, that the public, whatever they give, their support, that is their support genuinely to those political party, not just by listening to those fake promises or fake claims that they are the best and the rest are the worst. So I believe the people of our state, they know very well who to choose and what to believe.
Ha kabede bagajing penmenak IMD bagandon gajing jorslap akajela. Bala kesorkar jela kelalong kebelapan kere NEM ladaja badan kanu-kanu gajing penjuler nagi bor kemariang. Ubak KyrmenShylla ubak kemiru ya ketenat revenue ubak disaster management ulong bom kuak bagandon kanu-kanu gajing wanan shop jigi bor kemariang ne kanu-kanu gajing juler. Nrel lada kawan japat kinele aban akajing syakri kebahatam yaki pat ba kajela.